What causes children to interrupt adult talk? Ever wonder why kids sometimes jump into conversations when you least expect it? It might seem like they're just being rude, but there are many normal reasons behind this behavior. Understanding these reasons can help you handle interruptions with patience and kindness. One big reason is what experts call developmental egocentrism. Kids between the ages of 2 and 7 naturally think mainly about themselves. They find it hard to see that others have different thoughts or feelings. When they want to share something, they might not realize adults are busy talking. They just want to be part of the action. This isn't about being naughty. It's a normal part of growing up. Another cause is impulse control challenges. Young children are still building the brain connections needed to pause before speaking. When a thought pops into their head, they often blurt it out right away. They haven't yet learned how to wait for their turn or hold back. This quick reaction is a sign of their developing self-control, not bad manners. Attention seeking is also a common reason. Kids want to be noticed and heard. If they feel they are not getting enough attention from parents or siblings, they might interrupt to get that focus. In families with several children, this can become more frequent. They see interrupting as a way to make sure they are seen and heard. Children are still learning social skills too. They don't always recognize when someone has finished talking or when it's their turn to speak. They might interrupt because they don't understand the unwritten rules of conversation. They are figuring out how to share space in a dialogue. Boredom and restlessness can also lead to interruptions. If a child is not engaged or entertained, they might interrupt just to create excitement or to escape an unstimulating situation. Sometimes they want something more interesting to happen. Children might also interrupt to avoid doing something they don't want to do. For example, if they hear their parent about to ask them to clean their room or stop playing, they might jump in to delay the task. It's a way to stall or change the situation. Environmental factors play a role too. During virtual calls or video chats, technical issues like delays can make children unsure if someone has finished talking. This can lead to accidental interruptions. In households with more than one child, sibling rivalry and competition for attention are big factors. When a child feels their needs or ideas are being overlooked because a sibling is getting more focus, they might interrupt more often. This can become a pattern if it works to get them noticed. Knowing these reasons helps parents and caregivers respond kindly. Instead of seeing interruptions as bad behavior, recognize they are normal parts of a child's growth. With patience, you can teach children how to take turns and communicate respectfully, all while making sure they feel valued and heard.